Hey guys, it's your girl Caleb B. You know me and I'm coming at you with another video. Yes, another video. If you don't know me, welcome. Thank you for clicking on this video. I upload Monday, Wednesday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Sunday, and every single Monday I do a match try on Monday. So let's get into this unboxing. I got my Boxycharm here. Right here. Boxycharm Premium, that's what this is, retails for $35. It has over $175 worth of products, but they changed it to $215, I believe.
About hitting all those notes?
I believe. Yes, $215, and Boxycharm average is actually now $175. They changed it this month, so that means next month is going to be some goodies. And I will talk to you about spoilers and everything at the end of this video, but let's get into this. I will leave my weight and all the links to the products down below in the description box. When you open this up, it says Premium right here, blue, and we have a card. This is the theme, Glam Advised Only. It's the theme for every single box. I already did my Boxycharm base box. I will link it up in the cards, and I got version 7 right here. I kind of already did this. I already know what's in here. I already know what products are in here. I already know what I'm gonna put on my curry because I did this and my mic wasn't on. So I did a whole perfect video and my mic wasn't on. Finger crossed that this is perfect, or close to, because you guys know my videos. All right, we're set. The first thing right here is the Milk Kush lip scrub. This retails for $22, and the funny thing is that I actually bought it on add-ons. This is the reason, oh, I just dropped the pamphlet, I don't care. This is the reason why I would really like, here's the packaging. I would really like, this is what it looks like. It's like more like a lip balm than a lip scrub. I would really like my packages before add-ons or Poxy pop-up is, you know, available. That's the idea, because you know some of the products that are in the box are on there, and those are the products that you want. You don't know if you're gonna get it, and then you know this happens. It was between this and I think Marc Jacobs lip gloss, and I'm kind of excited that I didn't get the lip gloss because this is the lip gloss that I have right now. This is Work It from Marc Jacobs. The Marc Jacobs like totally scratched off because I have this in my purse. This is my purse, my duffel bag. Let's not even put purse, my duffel bag, because I've been using a duffel bag now because I go to work, then after work I go to class, and I go to work, or I go home, or I come here and I bring my like clothes and plus my filming equipment. I'm doing it every back and forth, so I have a big bag, which is my duffel bag. So if you want to see a video of what's in my bag, I will do that later on, but let's get into the other products. By the way, Sephora is having sale on Marc Jacobs lip glosses. I will leave that link down below. It's $20 instead of $29 because that's what it originally retails for, is $29. So just putting that in there. The next thing is a Kitsch Ice Roller. This is from Kitsch Clean Ritual. This retails for $18. This thoroughly cleanse, it says prep, thoroughly cleanse and dry skin. Remove ice roller from freezer and allow it to sit for a few minutes, and for additional benefits, apply your favorite serum or sheet mask. And I'm thinking I'm going to do this tonight with my woman's skin. I am down for it. I am down for the crew. I'm down for this. So this and the lip scrub is totally in my favor. I totally love. The next thing is a oil. This retails for $55. Oh wow, I have that right on my back of my hand. I'm like, yep, this video retails for $55. I will leave the link for this also. Everything will be down below in the description box. Always go check the description box. If you want to support your girl, my Macari is down there. I have some items on sale. Go check them out. This is the Brilliance Facial Oil Overnight Treatment from Emma Hardy. Increase moisture levels, increase elasticity, balance the skin, and antibiotic protection. Like literally, this is looking good. I like the packaging. I like the packaging a lot. Do I like the packaging? Can I open it? Yes, I can open it. Cool. Right there. Oh, it comes with a pamphlet. Fancy. That's like a lot of wording for an oil. A lot of wording. Ooh. I will definitely be using this during the winter because I have combination skin, and right now you could tell that my oils are stepping through and my oils are definitely seeping through. And this is like with nothing on my face. Nothing on my face, just my skincare. And I did that like later on, like earlier in the day, like at like 9 o'clock in the morning, and it's 9 o'clock at night. So yeah, okay, I don't like the packaging. I can't close it, so I'm gonna just put it back in the box. Okay, the next thing is my choice item. Every single month before the month actually happens, you get to choose. I already did my choice items. I will leave that for the end of the video. But I chose Olac Henriksen because my Marc Jacobs moisturizer was not in stock when I actually came off of work and actually actually tried to choose. So I bought the Marc Jacobs moisturizer. If you want to see my reaction for that, I will leave the video above. Every single month I do a end of the month haul, which you will probably see this little baby in this month. So yeah, this retails for $50. This is the Phat Glow Facial. It has PHAs, which actually has bigger molecules, and it's more gentle than AHAs, so less irritation, which means less breakouts for me, or no breakouts at all. That's why I like PHAs way more than AHAs. That's the reason why I was so glad to pick this, because I could have just said leave it up to chance and they probably would have gave me a highlighter or a moisturizer or actually this. So I'm glad I just picked this because I got the two things that I wanted. Okay, next product. The next thing is from Frank Body. This is an Ulta brand. This retails for $18.95. See, I was right. I was gonna say 96, but it's 95, $18.95. This is basically a peppermint coffee scrub. It's like a real coffee scrub. It's like one of those that I get like if you have a white tub. Oh my gosh, you gotta clean it up afterwards because this is going to get everywhere. But I actually want to try this because I never tried these scrubs. I always see people talk dirty about it, or they'd be like, I love it, but it's so messy. So I want to try it actually and give you my review. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, all the skincare I'm keeping. Like, I'm actually, well, you know me, I love skincare. My Mask Try on Mondays, I always talk about that. By the way, that facial will be on my Mask Try on Mondays. I will talk about it and everything. If you want to learn more about PHAs and AHAs and the difference, I will go in deep and depth in that video. The last product here is the last product at 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yep, last product here. 6 products. Also 6 and 7 products. That's what you get in your premium. And your base, you get 5 full-size products. So this is my 6th product, my last product. This is from the Queen, from Eloise. A queen lies in all of us. Ooh, that's the packaging. I am actually putting this on my Macari. It's actually on my Macari right now, if it can come out, because I already opened this and showed it to ya. This retails for $46. Right on point. Retails for $46. And oh my gosh, the packaging is amazing. Everybody's talking about ooh. Comes with a mirror, which is so beautiful. And oh my gosh, the shades. The shades are absolutely gorgeous. They're gorgeous. But I feel like because I see this, I will only use Powerful, which is a lavender shade, Empire, which is like an icy white pink shade, and then Elizabeth, which is like a bright pink, and Monarch, which is like a rose goldy bronze shade. And because of that, I know 4 shades out of 20 is not a reason to keep a palette. So because of that, that is on my Macari. If you want to go check it out, again, the link is down below. So that is all my products, and let's total up the tally. So the total is $211.95, and without the palette it would be $163.95. So I got my money's worth. Out of $35, I did get only just skincare, but to be honest, all the choices of the premium, it was going to be a skincare heavy box. It's just I was going to have a lip gloss or eyeliner, or I would have a lip gloss or eyeliner, but majority skincare, because the 3 products that were like definites, 2 of them were skincare and 1 was the palette. So I mean, you were gonna have a lot of skincare regardless. So anyways, I hope you guys liked this video. If you didn't, then you know, don't give it a thumbs down. Just, you know, watch my other videos and see if you like one of those. If you did, then thanks. Give this a thumbs up if you would like to. And yeah, so videos right here, videos up in the cards. And if you want to know more about spoilers and what did I choose for choice time, then keep on watching. So Priemum, there was only like one option for me. There was the Quesos foundation or oil foundation, which is like a light coverage. There were two foundation shades, the last two, and it was between that and that, the 16th or the 15th shade, and as to where my skin tone was. So I chose the last product, last one. I hope it's not too dark. I hope it's just the right shade. We hope. Okay, the next thing was a cream highlighter and blush. One of the blushes looked like it was my shade, but I saw it like swatched out over the skin. It's so sheer and it turns a lighter color, so I was not into that. And none of the powder blushes or highlights was in my shade, so I definitely just picked the oil foundation. So the next thing is they also have a Murad hydrating toner or a Clarins smooth instant perfector. Either one would be great, but I was going, if that was a choice item, I was going to go towards the Clarins because it's like skincare plus primer, and I'm kind of like in the primer mood. Like that's what I want right now. It's primers, and more primers, you know. So I already told you about my AHA thing that it gives me breakouts. So they had Murad exfoliating cleanser, which has AHAs and BHAs. Versali Previous Quench, which is more for dry skin, and I don't have dry skin. Real Her Ultimate Glow Cheek Trio, which is on the light to maybe medium spectrum of the color range, and the dose of colors Meet Your Hue Concealer, which has 30 shades. It was between the darkest shade 30, 29, and it was also between 28. And here is why. Because 28 is deep with warm undertones, but also neutral. And 29 is yellow with neutral undertones. And 30 is deep with red undertones. I chose 29. Yes, it's a little on the yellow side, and I really usually don't like that. I usually just like straight neutral. But you already know if you saw my Anastasia Beverly Hills review. If you haven't, is it linked in the cards? I do not like warm undertones. That is supposed to be neutral because it'd be hella red. Anyways, those are my spoilers and those are my choices. I hope you guys like this video. Have a great day, have a great night whenever you're watching this, and again, watch a video, subscribe if you want to. Let's go.